In today's video, I have for you Cosrx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. My god, that's a long name. Just remember Snail 96. This K-beauty product claims to target wrinkles, dry skin, acne, any sort of scarring and brightness, like overall brightness of the skin. And if these claims are true or not, I'm going to tell you going into specific product details. So stay tuned.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think.
Hello my lovely viewers, Namaste. Have you ever wondered what the slime trail could be? Besides thinking that it's gooey, yucky and slimy like I did. Until recently when I came across this product from a brand called Cosrx, which is a Korean skincare brand. And by the way, I'm yet to try a lot of amazing product from this brand and I will update you on that as well. Coming back to the snail stuff, this product is surprisingly amazing. I was skeptical to try this, use it on my skin because of its origin, but if you can look past that, your skin is definitely going to thank you every single day. So what makes this product so amazing? Of course, the snail secretion filtrate, which is the first ingredient here. And before we dive deep into the ingredient list, I just want to tell you very briefly about cosmetic formulation that might help you to read your product labels when you buy them the next time. So the first thing is all the ingredients, the chemical names that you see in your labels are listed in the order of, the highest to the lowest percentages being used in that particular product. Then comes the basic functional components in any cosmetic formulation of a particular kind. So there would be actives, meaning these are the main components, these are things that would feed your skin. For example, if it is an anti-aging cream, the active would be the anti-aging component. Or if it's a brightening cream, the active would be a brightening component. Then there would be moisturizers and humectants. There would be emulsifiers, meaning an agent that helps to dissolve water and oil like seamlessly. Then there will be solvents, there will be thickeners, something that defines the texture of the product. Then there would be preservatives and fragrances. And now let's go back to today's product, which is Cosrx Advanced Snail 96 Mucin Power Essence. Yeah, I got it in one go. Now what you see on the screen is the ingredient list of this product from the Cosrx website. On the packaging, you don't have all those details, but yes, you have to go to the website to check all the ingredients. And what you're gonna see now is the segmentation of all these ingredients in the basic formulation components that I just named a few seconds back. And I'll come back to it why I'm showing you all these details, because ingredients are the key. Now for actives, this product obviously has the snail secretion filtrate, which is a powerful antioxidant. It has miraculous repair and hydration properties and is claimed to be able to repair everything from dry patches to acne to breakouts to any signs of aging. So snail secretion, just to very simply understand, it gives your skin an intense shot of hydration. And besides fixing any of those issues of dry patches, wound healing or anti-aging benefits, it also gives your skin a very nice glow and plumpness that a well-hydrated skin have. Moreover, it helps protect your skin from any kind of moisture loss and also helps in improving the skin elasticity. And the best part is that this particular ingredient is non-irritating, so it is suitable for every single skin type. Extremely sensitive, dry, oily, dehydrated, you name it, every single skin type. Second ingredient on the list is betaine, which is, I would say again, a very beneficial and at the same time gentle and a milder ingredient. It's actually a sugar beet derivative and it helps with skin protection and moisturization. And the special thing about betaine is that it is an osmolyte, which means that it helps to control the cell-water balance, skin cell-water balance. Third ingredient on the list is butylene glycol, which is primarily, or I should say, it is a multitasking ingredient. It can work as a moisturizer or a humectant, and also it is a great solvent. Now when you use this product, like you pump it and you just feel it between your fingers, you will notice that the consistency is very slippery and very silky, which mainly comes from the slime, the snail secretion, but also it comes from butylene glycol, which has a slip sort of a consistency. It spreads easily. You don't have to, work up that much to make sure that this absorbs into your skin. Then it also has panthenol and sodium hyaluronate, which are humectants, and it helps your skin to attract moisture like a magnet. By the way, another name for panthenol is provitamin B5, and you must have heard this name several times in skincare or hair care advertisements where it's treated as a goodie. It also has arginine, which is a skin identical ingredient. It's a natural moisturizing factor which additionally helps with, it speeds up wound healing. Another key ingredient here is allantoin, which is the most common soothing ingredient but one of the best ones. It helps with skin softening, protecting, and also helps with wound healing. So all in all, this particular product has one of the best compositions and yet very basic, but they have used the best products, the best constituents in every category. Also, if you just relook at the ingredient list, you will notice that it is very basic, very minimal, bare bones skincare, which is a good thing. Another key thing about this product is, it helps to keep your skin smooth, soft, plump, and hydrated, but without the use of any heavy oils or creams. I think that's the best part. I hope you find this information useful. Please give this product a try and you will see definitely a noticeable difference in your skin texture. I have been using this product, say, for I think more than almost 2 months, I would say, and look how much I used. I use only a pump. I use it once a day. I don't use it twice. I think using it twice is too much for my skin. So how do I use it? So after I'm done with my cleansing and exfoliation and then my toner, I would also be done by that time with my vitamin D serum, and then I'll go with this particular product. I only use a pump. A pump goes a long way. This product, because of its consistency, it's like easily spreadable. You don't need a lot. A tiny amount goes a long way. And yes, then I just apply it all over my face and just let it dry for some time and then follow up with my moisturizer. So that's all about this amazing product today. I hope you liked this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I will see you all very soon in my next video. Until then, stay tuned, stay beautiful.